Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I will show you how to use Do Not Disturb but still allow calls or messages from certain people. First, open Settings, scroll down and tap Sound and Vibration, then select Do Not Disturb. Tap People or Exceptions. Under Calls, choose from Stored Contacts Only, or select Contacts if you want to pick specific people. Anyone means all calls will still come through, even when Do Not Disturb is on. And none means no calls or messages will come through at all. Once done, turn on Do Not Disturb mode. This way, you can block unnecessary notifications but still get alerts from important people, like family or close friends, even when your phone is in quiet mode. And that is how to use Do Not Disturb for specific contexts.